Hello everyone, welcome once again to Geo-Spatial tutorial. Today let us learn a very important and very useful technique in ArcMap. Today let me demonstrate how to bring your Bing maps or the satellite imagery of the entire globe on your ArcMap screen. Here you have a button to add data and you have a small arrow next to that. Just click on that arrow. You have three options: add data, add base map, and add data from ArcGIS online. So add data button, you know how it works, and let us add base map. Make sure that when you are doing this entire process you need to be online, and your maps will be displayed on your screen from a server online, and it is not an offline data. When you click on as add base map, you have a lot of options, like you can add an imagery, Bing Maps, Aerial and National Geographic Maps, and Topographic Maps, OpenStreetMaps and Oceans. I'll not be explaining all of them. Let me tell you as an example how to open the imagery on your map screen. Just click imagery and click add. Be patient, it takes some time, primarily because it has to communicate with the server and bring the satellite imagery of the entire globe on your system. So here you go, you can just click on this button to view full extent, and you can zoom into your area of interest. It takes time because it is online, so be patient. It takes some time to load based on the system speed and the speed of your internet connection. You can move your maps and select the area that you are looking at. There you go. This is your satellite imagery on your screen. Now you can carry out any process that you would be interested. This is rectified, as you can see here. You can change the units of display as I have explained in other tutorials. Now let us see how to add OpenStreetMaps into your screen. It's the same process again, and let us select OpenStreetMap and let's wait, as it's an online resource. Your map is added. Just zoom to that layer and wait for it to load. Here is your street map. Let's zoom in to the area of interest. You will get the minutest of the details of every street in your map on your screen. As I have told you, you can see the minutest of the details of every street and every parcel on your screen right now. By now, you might have some doubt in your mind as to why should we even download some other satellite images or images from Google Earth and rectify in ArcMap to carry out processes. Let me explain this in brief. Whatever we have displayed right now is only a base map, as you would remember that we have added only a base map. Base map is primarily for your reference, and you can use them as a base map to create your maps, like a digitization, composing a map, and for any other particular references. Whereas the processes like classification, the processes like extraction of a particular part, a subset of an image, or something like ArcHydro tools cannot be performed on these maps, as these are not raster images offline on your map on your screen. These are only online resources available to you for reference and base map purpose. But however, your base map will serve a lot of your purposes, and you can see other options as well here, which I have not explained. You have Bing maps, which you can add, National Geographic maps, topographic maps also you can add, and you can add oceans as well and carry out the processes using them as your base map. So use these as your base maps and build your own maps. That's all about adding base map to your ArcMap. Thanks for watching.